Hello YouTubers. In this video we're going to be changing the battery in the 2012 Dodge Charger SRT8. Battery is located in the back and it's going to take a 10mm wrench, 10mm socket and a couple of extensions, and we're getting ready to go through the whole process. The battery is located under the trunk floor, so we're going to lift that up. And come on. So here's the battery. We got it propped up here. This is the purpose of this, so that you can leave it up. And we have two things to undo, four things. We need to undo 10mm on that, 10mm on this, 10mm down there, and then we need to also undo the strap here. So the way the strap works is you push in, that releases the tension, and you should be able to pull it out. Just locks into place, stays back here. Just set it there for the now, and we will get our 10mm with an extension, and we'll get down in there and grab that guy there out, and we'll undo these. Okay, that locks in. It's not I thought it was locked in, but it's not, so just be careful with the screw. Now let's get our wrench and undo these guys. Okay, that one's undone. Let's get that one. There we go. Positive off. Negative. Okay. So I've got these just out of the way. Next thing to do is get your back in order and deadlift this thing out. I have the exact same battery going right back in it, so I'm just going to pull this one out, drop the other one in, and we'll pick back up. And this is the new one. I think everything's out of the way. Let's see. Okay. One thing to note, you see those two things there. The battery should oops, get that out of the way. Should shove underneath that as a locking piece, like that. Perfect. Okay, next, let's put back on our bracket. Okay, I've got this tightening. It's on our strap. So the strap, you see that hook right there? Move this out of the way. The strap goes behind this wire. And it should hook. Let's give her some room. Hook onto it, just like so. And we'll just tighten it up. Looks like it's good. Get some good resistance. Negative is on. Let's finish tightening up this guy here. Resistance, that's out. And put this guy in place and get our cab back on. Now let's just tighten down. Good resistance. Okay, everything is back in good order. battery changed. YouTubers, if you like the video, like the